What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Richest, back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as you can see by the title, man, today we're gonna be driving a Dodge Charger RT through one of the richest neighborhoods in my city. So if you guys want to see me go crazy in like a big ass, rich ass neighborhood, stay tuned until the end of the video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get straight to it. As y'all can see, we got these big ass houses. Should look crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Big ass cribs. We ain't just gonna show y'all the cribs though, man. Y'all already know we gotta go crazy. So we are in track mode, as you guys can see. We're gonna be in manual as well, using the paddle shifters. And as you guys know by now, or if you don't know and you're new to my channel, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT, completely stock. Just got the mid, mufflers, and resonators deleted. So this bitch scream, I ain't gonna lie. We left that area. We gotta go back in that area where big ass cribs are. So we're just gonna bust a left right here. Big ass cribs. Golly. I'm praying it's not too many potholes back here neither. Let me make her scream real quick, do a little pull for y'all. Oh my God. Oh yeah, they're calling the cops. They calling the cops on my ass. Word. Gonna bust it right here. I think we came in through this way too, but there's more houses over here. Pretty sure if we just go straight, or no, we can bust a left and then make a right. And if you guys want to know how I got track mode on this car, on this 2019 Dodge Charger RT, it is a plug-in called a Z Automotive Taser, so make sure y'all go grab that ASAP. You can get track mode, SRT pages, SRT font. Like, as you guys can see, the numbers are different. Oh my God. The valley is over that way. There is some big ass houses in the valley, but I'll probably make that a separate video. I should have made it right. It's whatever. And if you haven't checked out my last video, go check that out too. I did like a little 10-minute POV drive with my brother. The video ain't do that good, but that was just like a quick little 10-minute video just to upload some shit. We're gonna make a right here. I know it's some big ass cribs over this way. Gotta be some big ass cribs over this way. Try to hold the phone up at a better angle as well, so you guys can really see. A lot of you guys been telling me to get a GoPro or a head mount. I'm working on it. Not really working on it, but I'll get it eventually. But as of right now, I'm gonna do this Devontae 1K way with a phone, you feel me? Just holding the phone up. As long as you guys can hear the car, man, I think y'all straight. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. To be honest, I do not know where we're at. But this is a rich ass area. Like, you can see 2-car garage, big ass cribs, little river down there, big ass crib. Oh yeah, we in a good spot. We in a good spot, y'all. We straight? Damn, 2-car garage. This is like kind of like a little valley drive. I'm fucking with it, I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to make this like a valley drive, but I guess it is what it is. Whatever the fuck that is, looks pretty expensive. straight. I might as well do a little pull for y'all since it's a little straight road right here. My tires are bald right now, so I might slide a little bit, but it's cool. Oh my God. Oh my God. Your boy making some noise up this bitch. Where the big house is at? I think it's over here to the left. Nah, I'm not gonna go over there. It's a car. Probably bust a U-turn and then find another rich neighborhood. This is a rich ass area still. We're still in a good area. I just gotta find the cribs. Once I find the cribs, it is wraps. Ew, little pony. Little pony Mustang. Here we go, y'all. We got a little bridge. Here we go. Damn. It's taking us on a highway somewhere. I think I gotta bust a U-turn. Or why not just give y'all a little highway POV? Oh my God. Once again, guys, this is 5.7. No mufflers, no resonators. We're gonna bust a UE right here and then go back to them big ass cribs. So as we make our way back to the richest neighborhood, I might as well give y'all one more pull on the highway while we here. So here we go, y'all. On 40. Oh my God, y'all. This shit is loud as hell, bro. Y'all don't understand how loud this car is. Like, over the camera, it might not sound that loud. But in person, this motherfucker scream. This shit scream. Headed back to the rich area. Rich ass area. Rich ass, grassy ass area. Should I scare him? He's probably like, what the fuck is that? What is that? Alright, y'all, we back. We just gonna go straight for a little bit longer. Actually, nah, damn. I should have made a left. Bust a left right here to this little area. Big ass cribs. Big ass cribs. They ain't crazy big, but they bigger than your average houses. Like, feel me? We got that shit. 2-car garage, basketball court, all that shit. Nah, that looked like the swing off of Insidious. Scary ass cribs. I know these houses old as hell. God. circle. Let's go to some more houses. We gotta find even bigger ones than this. This ain't nothing. Like, that's a big ass crib, don't get me wrong, but we can't end a video like this, y'all. We gotta find some big ass cribs once all these cars go by. All right, y'all, we're gonna take this route now. Hopefully we got some even bigger houses for y'all. Make this right. Damn, gated cribs. Cribs that are gated. Give y'all a little pool in this valley looking area. Oh my God. Oh my God. Big ass cribs. What the fuck? Nah, I need to go down that way. Is that a crib? I can't tell. That is. Damn, what the fuck? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We done got us into a whole different server. Like, I gotta bust a U-turn, bro. Nah, I done entered a whole new server. Look at this crib. By the way, if you don't know, I think Joe Biden lives in this area too. I wouldn't be surprised if that was his crib. Yo, what the fuck? Nah, I gotta bust a U-turn now. It's just I don't know, like, if I should go in a like area type shit. We gonna bust a U-turn though, cause why not? Oh, bro. I know I'm not tripping. Them cribs was big as fuck. Big ass cribs, bro. Imagine if I was going down like a one-way. Dude. Bang the fuck out. Like, I don't even know if I should take my car down that. You know what? Fuck it. For y'all. Nah, this crib is really big as shit, bro. But fuck it. We gonna do it. We gonna try to creep. Absolutely no trespass. We ain't gonna do it. Nope. I already dealt with the cops enough. Not doing it, y'all. I'm bitching out. Get out of here. Fuck. Bro, look at that, bro. Like, what? That gotta be Joe Biden's crib. And when I say Joe Biden actually lives back here, he actually lives back here, like that ass. Alright, I gotta make a right. I wanna go inside this area, but like I don't wanna trespass, you feel me? Like, look at that, bro. We gonna make a right here, I don't care. Bro. Like, what? Like, what? I gotta take my thumbnail here. I already took my thumbnail, but I gotta redo it, bro. Big ass cribs. You still gotta make her scream, though. Don't get me wrong. Like, dude. We done entered the end of the motherfucking development. Gotta get out of here ASAP. Hold on. I might do a part 2 to this, yo, and find like an even bigger area with even bigger cribs. I'm gonna take my thumbnail though before we end the video real quick. Bro, like, this is crazy, bro. Compared to my house, this is insane. Which crib should we take the thumbnail at? Definitely not this one. There's too many trees in the way. I think we should do this one. There was one at the end. This one right here, yeah. Nah, that one not really a mansion type John. He's probably like, what the fuck? A Hemi? A Charger back here? Gotta take my thumbnail right here at this crib. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. We finally took that thumbnail. But that was a pretty decent sized neighborhood, rich neighborhood. Pretty sure there's even bigger houses around this area, but A lot of them are like gated off and all that shit. Maybe we should do a video going to Joe Biden's house and doing a burnout. I actually think he lives back here. Back behind these trees. It's just hard to see, of course. Yeah, look, back here. I think his crib is back there somewhere, gated off. I don't know if you guys can see. But, go ahead, cuz. Yeah, maybe we should do like a little burnout or go crazy in front of his property or area. Or crib, if I can get back there, but. We're going to give y'all one more pull before we end this video, just to turn y'all up a little bit. That wasn't that bad, man. We got some good sized houses in this video. I'm gonna probably remake this too and get more scats and stuff to come with me. So once again, y'all, make sure y'all comment fire emojis. Let me know if y'all want a part 2 with a whole bunch of scats. We're gonna make it right, bro. This light's blowing my shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Give y'all one more little pull real quick. Track mode. God. Second gear. Should sound crazy, bro. But all right, y'all, we gonna end the video right here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel or video. We gonna continue to drop daily bangers. But it's your boy Richest. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace out.